This is the true position calculator from XY data, which determines the positional accuracy of a point relative to its nominal location. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we enter the actual x coordinate where our measured point is located. Below that, we input the actual y coordinate for the same measured point. Next, we enter the nominal x coordinate, which is our theoretical or intended x position. Finally, we input the nominal y coordinate for our theoretical y position. For this demonstration, I'll enter 10 for actual x, 10 for actual y, 10 for nominal x, and 10 for nominal y. After clicking Calculate True Position, we get 3 key results. The x deviation shows 0.0 thousand millimeters, meaning our actual x position matches the nominal perfectly. The y deviation also shows 0.0 thousand millimeters, indicating no deviation in the y direction. Most importantly, the true position diameter reads 0.0 thousand millimeters. This diameter represents the total positional error as a circular tolerance zone. Since all values are 0, our measured point is exactly at its nominal position. This calculator is essential for quality control and inspection processes in precision manufacturing. Find the link in the description below.